Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So today we are inside of our metal casting workshop. And as you can see here, this is the sand molding. And then the sand we use here is called Alkali phenolic resin sand. And so we have two kinds of sand. We have sodium silica sand. We also have alkaline phenolic resin sand. So as you can see, this is the sand molding. So the first step is you have the sand molder to pour the sand into the moldings. And then after sand hardens, you can see there is a chamber that formed by the sand. And then the next step is pouring the metal into the moldings. And then when it cools down, you will get a desired shape of the metal casting you want. So this sand molding is composed of three parts. It has a bottom and it has middle sections. It also has a cap. So as you can see now, this is the bottom and then the middle sections. And later on, we will put the top part onto the middle part and to form a chamber inside of the sandbox. So thank you guys. We'll introduce about our other machines and facilities in our next video. Thank you.